This 2026 Venture RV Sienna 241 VRD is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Seguin, Texas, 78155 and is offered for sale by Seguin RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Venture RV is 26 feet 0 inches in length and features a chocolate interior, sleeps 4, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer RV features couples coach, front bedroom, rear dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Venture RV Sienna 241 VRD is 6,030 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Seguin RV.